Hello guys. I want to share with you guys that after I dispute the claim on my video, YouTube successfully reviewed and actually got back to me, and I just received this message today. I think 20th, right? Oh no, I received this message yesterday, but I didn't see it, so probably it's in the midnight. So I received this particular message at what time? Okay, it's actually around 5. I didn't check my mail then. So I think this is the message that I received from them, and it says good news. After reviewing your dispute, it calls the name of the person, had decided to release copyright claim on your video. But the funny thing is, the person actually released the copyright claim on my video. That's fine, but it actually annoys me because this person clearly used my content. So just because of what he did, I'm actually going to claim copyright on that same video with this my video. So he also needs to take his own video down, because I wouldn't like putting up effort and somebody stealing my video and then reusing it. So I will want the person to actually take down his video, because it's wrong taking my video and also claiming that I use his video. So it's very, very bad. I don't know if you guys are experiencing this. I shouldn't be making this video, but I'm just sharing my I'm just sharing this video with you guys, since I already told you guys about how it went, and also I wouldn't want to leave you guys on or keep you guys on the loop. So this is just what happened. The video has been restored successfully, and the ads are showing, everything is showing fine. I no longer have issue on that video, but I wouldn't want it to look like this person just pardoned me on that particular video, because it's actually my video. So I'm going to find a way to put a copyright on his own video. So thank you guys again for your support during this period. So many people supported me, sending me message and everything. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you so much. So let's go on with this. All right guys, see you on my next video.